Good morning, traders, and welcome to Daily Call today, Wednesday, the 2nd of May. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened in yesterday's session. There was quite a lot of data there for us. Locally, the RBA has left interest rates unchanged at its record low of 1.5%. This now extends the longest ever run without a change in rates to 21 months. The Aussie dollar consequently fell through the 75 support and is now trading at 74.80. In the UK, we saw PMI manufacturing numbers hit its lowest levels in 17 months, sending the cable down and through the support levels of yesterday's chart of the day. Luckily, price action has saved us and we did not trigger a trade there. That's around about a 700 pip 700 pip loss for the fortnight for the GBP USD. The question now is, where will the next support level lie? In the US, we saw the manufacturing PMI number come in below the forecast, but it seems that investors are preparing and positioning themselves for the FOMC pro news, is what they're predicting, as the dollar continues to take on all comers and continue to make ground. Finally, from Canada, we got GDP numbers which were good, coming in at 0.4% as the economy rebounds and the CAD steadies up. Alright, time now to have a look at our chart of the day, and the chart that I have found for us this morning is, it's our own local Aussie dollar against the CAD on a daily time frame. As you can see from what I'm showing you here, there is a potential support level. Well, actually, if you zoom out on this, have a look at this chart, zoom out, there is another support level on this same point over to the left hand side, but we are at that level now. So what we need to wait before we pull any trigger is wait for price action confirmation, as we saw yesterday in the GBP USD. Now, if you just trade off the levels, you are susceptible to the break trade. So let's wait and see if we can get price action reversal in this region here. We're looking for an inside candle, a hanging man, or an engulfing candle, anything price action reversal. If we get it, then we can pull the trigger on this one. So Aussie CAD daily time frame, add that to your hot list, and let's see how that one plays out. All right, let's have a look at the session which is about to kick off for us, and we have very shortly, in about half an hour, from New Zealand, we have the unemployment rate numbers. That's at 8:45. Then this evening at 6:30 from the UK, we have construction PMI numbers. Let's see if they can get better after last night's disaster, so to speak. 10:15 from the US, we have the private sector employment numbers. At after midnight at 12:30 from the US, we have the crude oil inventories. And then finally, the big one at 4 a.m. tomorrow morning, before I speak to you next, from the US, we have the FOMC statement and the Fed rates decision. Now, they don't expect to increase rates on this one, but what we are looking for is pro FOMC news. So let's see what happens on that one. As always, guys, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow on the Daily Call. Bye for now.